Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Hello. So you want to know more about how to reinstall a deleted playlist in iTunes? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to reinstall a deleted playlist in iTunes is answers.yahoo.com. See the page titled "If I reinstall iTunes, will all my playlists and songs be?" This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site support.apple.com, especially the page Remove and Reinstall iTunes and other software components. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.essortment.com. The web page How to reinstall a deleted playlist in iTunes. Here's the link.